Brafe Engineering as a business was established in 1966, celebrated 50 years last year. We offer a single service engineering solution to our customers, which extends a lot further than what you'd expect from a traditional foundry or a traditional machine shop. We always consider ourselves to be at the forefront of foundry engineering, looking for new technologies that we can integrate and develop alongside our customers. In the last 12 months we've been exploring quite extensively 3D printing.
voxeljet is a global 3D printing company. Here at voxeljet UK in Milton Keynes, we have a variety of 3D printing technologies for printing tooling for foundries. One of the reasons that foundries are increasingly coming to voxeljet for our printing technologies is that we can give them a really fast turnaround. So we can print, say, within 3 days. That is enabling them to compete against the growing trend for direct metal printing. 95% of what we print here could be produced using traditional methods, but foundries come to us because we provide a faster and more cost-effective solution for them. So when assembling a mould pack, there may be the top and the bottom and internal pieces to make the geometry. We can often print that in far fewer pieces than you could do with a traditional tooling method.
It's very beneficial when you don't have a fixed tool or a customer doesn't necessarily want to commit to setting up tooling with a potential new supplier. It gives you an opportunity to demonstrate your capability using printed material, and also it enables us to reduce the lead time in order to fulfill that commitment. So one specific example was a nuclear customer who needed 10 parts very quickly. voxeljet supplied the prints in just inside 3 to 4 days, and we shipped finished product to our customer in 3 weeks. If you were looking to use traditional tooling, you'd probably be lucky to make the tool in 3 weeks, let alone the products as well. We use 3D printing for design verification prior to setting up fixed tooling. So if we're considering PMMA, we would use that for investment cast design verification before we set up the aluminium tooling, and we would use the sand printing prior to setting up fixed sand cast tooling.
The UK is very strong in investment casting, with 50% of the European market being here, and voxeljet has a 3D printing solution for that market as well with our PMMA patterns.
Certainly on the PMMA side there are challenges that you have to overcome, and on the sand side you've got to reverse your way of thinking to actually creating a mould pack as opposed to creating a pattern, and it does take a certain mind shift to get used to that. If you commit the engineering hours and the time up front and you're dedicated to it, it's a process that can really yield some benefit for a foundry. The foundry industry has had somewhat of a challenging last 2 to 3 years, and we feel as a business focusing on 3D printing has offered us new market development opportunities, and that leaves us quite optimistic for the years to come.